Hey guys, Penny here from Monaco Nail Academy, and welcome back to a Salon Snippet mini-sode, the mini episodes between our full-size Salon Success episodes. And this week I'm with Mel, Pat, and Erin, and we're asking, what is your favorite nail art trend right now and why?
Mine would have to be, at the moment, I'm really liking the isolated chrome stuff that I'm seeing around. I just think it really looks so cool. It pops. It really pops.
I was going to say the same thing and you stole it, so that's really unfair
Oh,
of you, Erin.
sorry about that.
But my reason is just because it's really fun for me to do. I'm very selfish with things that I love, and it's because I like doing it. It's fun.
Yeah, it's kind of like this magical thing that, yeah, it's magic. It just all of a suddenly just like you're just painting this thing and then you put the chrome on, and then it's just like this amazing thing.
Also, there's a lot of ombre with chrome over the top happening at the moment, and that's so pretty.
I don't know. I think obviously I love like flowers and leaves and stuff, but the one I've been seeing lots lately is like fruit, like realistic fruit.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of that right now.
Even like the little glistens of like the juice on it. Oh, I love it. I really want to try it. And also the 3D stuff that's been going around at the moment.
There's a lot of cool stuff that's going around on the internet, I guess. That's the beauty of social media. Like, how do you pick just one trend? I guess one thing I like is that clients can come in and actually be like, hey, look, I saw this on the internet. So it's not anything specific, but sometimes they'll be like, I found a reel for you. Do you want to try it? And it's like, okay. So, especially if they give you notice, then it's like, I have time to figure this out. So one I did recently was just these like really simple lavender on like, it looked very cottagecore, and it was just, a few lines, a few dots. And I thought it was very cute. But other than that, I do enjoy playing with pigment. That's not exactly a trend, but pigment is just fun. You can do ombre, you can do chrome. You can do like a starry sky, which I also did recently. So it's just very versatile, and I like it. And also, you should buy pigment from Monaco Nail Academy. FYI, we sell those.
One thing that, because you said about clients bringing in inspo, my clients here are not that great for bringing in inspo, but I have been screenshotting everything I like on Pinterest, and I now have an easy folder and a hard folder. And so they'll be
Ooh.
like, do you have time for nail art today? And I'll be like, yes. What's your budget and or how much time do I have? And then that depends which folder I hand to them, and then they just choose. And I've got a couple of clients that specifically book last of the night, because then that means that my time is open-ended and we can do something really tricky.
Oh, fun. That's nice.
So hopefully you got some tips and tricks for that. If you let us know in the comments below what your favorite trend is at the moment and why, and we'll see you next week with our next full episode.
Happy day.